Vectors 1 Kcse 2024 Mathematics Paper 1, question 12. This is a question that was obtained from Mathematics Book 2, and I have said, and I will repeat, Mathematics Paper 1 is mainly composed of Form 1 and Form 2 work. So let us look into this question. The coordinates of point O, A, B, and C are 0, 0, 2, 1, 4, 4, and -1, 7, respectively. The coordinates of point D is x, y. Point M is the midpoint of line CD and satisfies the vector equation OM, which is equals to OA plus 5 over 2AB. Determine the coordinates of point D. So specifically, this one is from the midpoint, midpoint vector, midpoint of a vector, midpoint of a vector, midpoint of a vector. So we are going to solve this equation by giving a solution, to this equation. First thing that we have to do is work out vector AB. Vector AB is the same as saying OB minus OA. Vector AB is the same as saying OB minus OA. And what is OB? We have been given the coordinate for OB. We are going to express this in column vector. So our B is in fact 4, 4. So we are going to have 4, and then we have 4 this, like this, as a column vector. And then our A is 2, 1. We subtract. So our AB is going to be 4, 4. We take away 2, 1. This one is going to give us 2. 4 minus 2 is in fact 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. So our AB, vector AB, is 2, 3. If we write in column form, it is going to be 2, and then 3 is going to follow. The next thing we want to work out, OM. From the question, we have been told that OM is in fact OA plus 5 over 2AB. We already have our AB, and we also have our OA. So we are going to say our OA is in fact 2, 1 plus 5 over 2. Our AB is 2, 3. Our AB is 2, 3, like this. Now this is going to give us 2. This is 2, 1, and then we have got plus 5 over 2 times 2. It is going to give us 5. Then 5 over 2 times 3, it is going to give us 15 over 2, which is the same as, if we write that one in fraction form, 15 over 2 is the same as 7.5. If we add this, we're going to get 2 plus 5 is 7, and then 1 plus 7.5 is 8.5. And this is our midpoint. Our midpoint is given by 7, 8.5. That is the midpoint, the coordinate for the midpoint. Let us proceed. We are supposed to determine the coordinates of point D. So let us assume that this is C and this is D. C and D. And we have the midpoint here given by 7, 8.5. We have the coordinate for C. The coordinate for C is in fact -1, 7. And the coordinate for D is x, y. So we want to find this x and y. we have to remember the formula that says for us to be able to get the midpoint, then we must have x1 plus x2. We divide this by 2. Then we have y1 plus y2. We divide by 2. This one will give us the midpoint. Now, in this case, this is C and this is D. Let us organize our things. The coordinate for C is in fact -1, 7, and the coordinate for D is x, y. Now, let us use this other side. Let us use this side. We have got the coordinates. Now, we want to find the midpoint. We want to find the midpoint by using this question. So where is our x1? X1 is a -1. So we are going to say that -1 plus our x2 in this case is going to be x. It's going to be x. We divide by 2, then comma. Our y1 is 7 plus our y2 is y. So we have y, we divide by 2. This one will give us 7, 8.5. 7, 8.5 as our midpoint. We proceed now and say -1 plus x over 2 is equals to our 7. Then 7 plus y over 2 is equals to 8.5. We multiply this side by 2. We multiply here by 2. The first one is going to give us -1 plus x is equals to 14. So our x is equals to 15. The second one is going to give us 7 plus y is equals to 17. So y is equals to 10. So the coordinate for D is in fact 15,